Our everyday lives are being threatened by pollution and climate change. Increases in drought, storms, heat waves, and warming oceans can and are impacting people's livelihoods, from their food and water supply to housing and overall economic activities. To prevent the harmful effects of pollution and climate change, we must dramatically reduce our emissions and transform our energy system away from fossil fuels. This change starts from us, private citizens, and choices we make every day. Protecting our environment can start in your garage as you make smarter choices about the fuel you use. Ethanol is a renewable fuel made from plant materials and corn biomass. Thanks to the improved agricultural methods and biofuel technologies, it can also be generated out of waste. Utilizing ethanol fuel instead of gasoline allows you to decrease your CO emissions by up to 43% while reducing harmful particulate matter emission by more than 95%. Locally produced here in the United States while employing U.S. farmers and workers, E85 ethanol fuel is an affordable and sustainable option that provides the highest octane available at the pump. This means that your engine runs cooler and cleaner, which reduces a variety of harmful emissions. eFlexFuel devices convert your current vehicle to flex fuel. This enables using E85 fuel that is widely available in the US in over 3,500 fueling stations around the country. No matter if you're driving a car, a truck, a motorcycle, or some other recreational vehicle, you can start using a more sustainable fuel instantly with eFlexFuel. Start shrinking your carbon footprint and do your part to protect the environment by converting your gasoline-operated vehicle with eFlexFuel today.